When you're writing your emails or setting up and designing your sales pages, checkout pages, things like that, you do not have time to be hunting around for your color codes, Googling to transfer RGB to hex code, and or typing them in manually from your little note that you've got on your desk next to your computer. And Kartra just made this process so much simpler. So I'm going to show you how to use the new text color palette. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to go to settings in the bottom left and then account settings. And here we're going to go to text editor colors and click change. You're going to start out with just a sample palette of colors. You can add on up to 49 custom colors, and you can even replace these colors that you have in here. So let me show you how this works. You click the plus and a random color is going to show up there. Click it again and now you'll see your color palette and the color picker. So you could play around with the color wheel up top and pick your colors. You can type in your RGB code for any brand colors that aren't already saved, or you can type in a hex code here and it will translate. Or if you've already got your brand colors saved in Kartra, you can actually select them here. So you can just click on the brand color and you'll see that now that's added as one of my text colors. So you can go ahead and click to add, click to change, and then put in all of your brand colors that you might use for text. So you can skip your lighter colors and things like that. But now basically it's just as easy as putting in our brand colors on components like buttons and backgrounds and things on pages into text. So here's what we would do. We would save here. And now when you go into your text editor inside of an email or on your pages, your color palette will show. So here I am in an email, and let's say I want to change the color of this text. Now you'll see over here where you used to just have the palette of random colors. Now you'll see your brand colors here. So I'm going to select my brand color green, and there you have it. From here, you can actually get back to the palette by clicking on the little artist palette icon. It's going to open up another window where you can go ahead and change your colors here. Once you save them, you will need to reload your email or your page for those new colors to be able to be added. Gone are the days where we would have to go and find our color code, and if it was RGB, Google to switch it over to hex to change it so that we could edit our text color. Now it's as simple as a couple of clicks. And if we go into page editor as well, now if I want to change this to my brand color green, I can go ahead and go to font color, and there's my saved green right there. Easy peasy. What do you think? I honestly think this is going to save you so much time, and it is one of the most helpful updates that Kartra has put out in a while. Let me know what you think in the comments.